name is Justin Robinson. We're with the NASA Slis. This is what we designed for our senior project. Our mission was to create a system that combines various input and output devices in a user-friendly way. And we used the Microsoft Connect, and we also used an application. We did it with a team comprised of myself, and we have Rebecca Rush, and we have Samantha Hess, and Everett Thomas. And in this video, we're going to demonstrate what we did for the whole semester.
So we're going to start here with the web application, and you can log in. We have two types of users, the admin user and then a regular user. The admin has a full screen where he can view the devices, and the devices screen is actually what the user is the only screen they will be able to see. But if we go along, the admin also has the option of modifying the devices, and then they do some system options like adding users, keeping track of them, changing the permissions. And we'll let Everett talk about the interface between that and the X10.
Okay, we got an alarm system. It's comprised of 2 door sensors and a motion sensor. So we go into the alarm menu. You have the options of alarm off, alarm home, and alarm away. Alarm home, only the 2 door sensors are active. And alarm away, all the sensors are activated. So if I go ahead and switch it to alarm home, the way we determined that the alarm trips was if the left-hand side door triggers, it'll flash the middle light, and if the right-hand side triggers, it'll flash this in light. So it's now triggered. It'll now blink. And as you can see, the motion sensor does nothing. Then do this side, and it trips the middle. So that's it for the alarm. Now we can go to the temperature settings. We have options for the mode of the thermostat, off, heat and cool, and we can increase and decrease the temperature. The current room temperature is shown on the screen, and the current set temperature is shown on the screen. So right now the thermostat is on heat. So I can go in and click the cool mode. It'll change to cool. Then I can also increase the set temperature. Then I can turn it off.
Alright, so this is the Connect interface, and this is a web interface. It's not a web interface. Alright, let's start that again. Alright, this is the Connect interface, and it's an application built in C#. The way we have use of the Connect is via the cursor. As you can tell, as I move my right hand, it moves across the screen. If I lift my left, it will click. So that click should send a signal to the light. Hopefully today it's not working.
Did someone start Slis home?
Thought so. Oh, there we go. Alright. There we go. Alright, so this is our control for the lights. As you can tell, I can click them on and off via the checkbox. There's a slight delay because of the X10 and how it works. If I choose to brighten, hard to see on here, but the light did come on and it's at a very dim setting. So you can continue to brighten it, and eventually you'll be able to start actually seeing the light, which you can actually see now. It's starting to brighten. And the same with the dim. You can dim it back by simply clicking on the button, which is a raise of the left hand. Also with this app, you have the ability to adjust the Connect to make sure you have where it's as smooth as possible. So this adjustment actually moves the motor of the screen. got it for the Connect. It also has the alarm and thermostat like the other program.
That's all, folks.